Hey everyone, welcome back to Logic Building channel. If you grow your tech career. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 websites to find web development internships in 2025. Whether you're a student, a recent grad, or making a career switch, this video is for you. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Internships are the gateway to landing your dream job in tech. They give you hands-on experience, boost your resume, and let's be honest, some of them pay pretty well too. First up is LinkedIn. It's not just for networking. Search web development internships, filter by location or remote, and boom, tons of opportunities pop up. Next, we have Indeed. Super easy to use. Set up email alerts so you never miss a listing. For those in India, Internshala is gold. There are plenty of remote and paid internships in web development. With Glassdoor, you can find internships and read reviews about the company culture. Super helpful, looking to join a startup. AngelList talent, now called Wellfound, is perfect for that. Many of these roles are remote and flexible. If you're all about remote work, Remote OK lists plenty of developer internships around the globe. WayUp is tailored for students and recent grads. Lots of internships for beginners, especially in tech. OK, not a traditional internship site, but Upwork is awesome for getting freelance projects. Great way to build your portfolio and get paid while you're at it. Same goes for Fiverr. Offer web dev services, work with clients, and gain real-world experience. Freelance gigs can be a great alternative if you're struggling to find internships. Quick tips before you apply. Build a simple portfolio site to showcase your projects. Keep your LinkedIn profile updated. Don't be afraid to cold email companies. Which website will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on new content.